What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Back with another vlog on the K24 Civic. So I'm about to put it in the driveway right now, and we're gonna be working on the interior today. We got door panels for both sides, so I'm gonna be putting those on. And also, as you guys can see, it's dirty in here again after sitting, and I got more painting to do, so we're gonna be painting everything up and cleaning it up in here. But right now I'm about to turn on this car, and it's still open header, so it's like so loud. And I have that E85 cold start without E85. Watch, you guys will see what I mean. So I ran out of memory on my phone, that's why the video just cut off like that, but Civic is in the driveway now. So it'll be easiest if I just remove the seats, and then we'll have access to all that, so. Yep, first gotta remove the seats. Alright, seat is off, and yeah, we definitely need to clean under here. Just got hella dirty again from sitting, so it's the last time it's gonna be looking this dirty. So I think I'm gonna vacuum it up a little bit and spray with degreaser, wipe it down, and then probably sand it just a little bit, and then paint it. Ah, great. Who the fuck invited this for? Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. My boy Marcel pulled up.
Oh, yeah.
My boy, shout out to you. So, yeah, this is looking way better so far. You guys saw it before. This side's about to get that same treatment, but yeah, this side's pretty much good to go. Still need to do the front up there. And then we're gonna spray it. It's gonna look so much better in here. And then we're still gonna put on the door panels. Ooh. Interior is gonna look 10 times better. Yes, sir. Alright, almost done cleaning it up in here. It's so fit. I don't know how it got dirty again. I really don't know. But my boy started painting it back here. And what are you doing? What's going on?
Taking off the sound deadening, this old ass black dookie.
So yeah, that's how it looks like on this side. It's all dirty and crusty. So yeah, we're taking it off. And it's gonna look so much better in here, not red.
That's awesome.
So it's looking like so far. So my boy got everything in the back here, and then I touched it up over here in the front, so it looks way better than before. You guys saw that, so yes sir. Now I feel like we're missing something.
Oh yeah, it's you know, it's time, bro.
I think it's time, man.
It's time.
Everything's all gray in here, looking nice again. It's time for door panels. It's been like 4 years
And counting.
4 years and counting. Finally putting door panels on this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a game changer. Oh yo. Alright guys, so we're about to put on the door panels, and yeah, they're not the same shade. Just realized that right now this one's way darker. This one's way lighter, obviously, but yeah, so now we're just gonna paint them. Yeah, so since they're different, we might as well just paint them. So we're gonna get that VHT fabric paint. The black one should make it look fine. And yeah, we're just gonna paint them both black. And anyways, the black should honestly look better with the dashboard anyways. And I'll be able to touch up this this little corner, some overspray on there. But yeah, honestly, so black would look better anyways, since it's not much of the OEM plastic in here anyway. So yes sir, we still got some time, so I'm gonna go get some paint and paint these bad boys. Oh yup, you already know, we got the fabric paint. They had a gloss and matte, but we wanted the matte, should look better. One can should be enough, so yes sir, let's head back.
Let's do this.
What's up guys, so we just got the paint booth set up. We got our mobile paint booth right here.
Where you wanna go, bro?
Hey, show him, bro, show him.
Talk to him. Bring it back. Ooh.
And let us know, guys. Mobile paint booth. We'll pull up in front of your driveway, wherever, you know.
No other.
And we'll just get your wood. My boy prepping the door panel so we can paint it. You already know how to go grab a blanket for my baby, you know, so she doesn't get any overspray on her. All of a sudden, right? All of a sudden I couldn't get overspray, but yeah, this is too close. That's way too close, but yes sir, this should look really clean and black.
That's what I'm saying.
When I was at the junkyard, I mean to pull on this and I broke the tab over here, so you already know.
Be like that sometimes.
Yo, that's already looking so much better. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're about to start working on the second one, but the driver's side looks pretty dang good. Yeah, so here's the driver's side. Looks so much better. You can't honestly even tell that it's spray painted. So yeah, down the line we'll just have to get a nicer one, but hey, this is way better than no door panel, so I'm excited. This is what the passenger side is looking like. Looking really good. Way better than before. So we're gonna let this dry up for a little bit. And in the meantime, we're gonna throw on the driver's side one. Yep, so in the meantime, I'm gonna throw this baby on. Sheesh. Here's the second door panel, the passenger side. Look at that, guys. Looks so much better than before. Let me know what you guys think. But over here, starting to get this door panel on. Damn, starting to look so good, starting to come together. So we have some tape right here because this piece was broken off, so we have glue right there, so just holding it in place. But damn, looks so much better. Not showing that red. Now time for this side.
That's all I'm saying.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna have to go get that plastic piece that goes around here, around the door handle. That'll make it look a lot better too, but damn. And that side's almost done. Sheesh. So this is with the door closed, and just look at that, guys. That shit looks, damn, that shit looks so good. Wow, so yeah, now we just need to put in the seats, but damn, finally have door panels. Yo, what's up guys? So yesterday my camera died, so I wasn't able to show you guys too much more, but it's okay because it's the next day. We have some sunlight, so oh yeah, just look at that, guys. And then this side, whew, just looks so much more complete in here. I'm really loving it. It's been years since I've had door panels, so this is crazy. So like I said, I just need these little plastic pieces for the door handles, and yeah, that's legit all I need. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Interior has come along so much in the past week. Like the wiring down here was all just everywhere. The battery wasn't even mounted, just everything was everywhere, and now everything is nice and tight, clean, and actually looking like an actual car now. Wow. So I still need a cluster as well. I was gonna put a tablet, but on the Honda you can't, it doesn't tell you how much fuel you have, so I'm just gonna run a regular speedometer. But yes sir, I'll probably put the tablet right here. I could put like a knockoff plate right here and then have the tablet right there mounted, and then the airbag delete, so all that will look really good. But hell yeah guys, it's coming along. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. We practically transformed my door panels for like $8. This can right here. So with $8, we completely transformed them and made them black and looks so much better in the car now. But if you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. A lot of my views are from people that aren't subscribed. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button. A lot of content's coming. If you guys are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get all the notifications right when I upload. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, drop a thumbs up. So definitely more vlogs are on the way. So I hope you guys are doing good, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Later, guys.